So there are several key trials that have been involved with PARP inhibitors. One has looked at olaparib in men with castration-resistant prostate cancer. There were two different cohorts in this study. One looked at those patients who had either BRCA1, BRCA2, or ATM mutations, and then the other looked at all DNA repair mutations. For the first group, there was a significant difference in radiographic progression-free survival in favor of olaparib compared to the choice of the investigator as far as the other arm was concerned. That could be abiraterone or enzalutamide in that situation. Similarly, rucaparib in the hormone refractory state in the Triton-2 trial, which is a phase 2 study, about a 50% response rate in patients who also had DNA repair mutations, either BRCA or ATM or BRCA1, BRCA2. So, so both of these studies have led to the approval of olaparib and rucaparib for men with castration-resistant prostate cancer and DNA repair mutations.